Right? All right, great job. So this is how they've learned to apply. He's also taken one step forward and pushed himself, and he said, when I'm going to be in high school and as a freshman, sophomore, I need to start preparing for my SAT. Can I use it for my SAT? Of course you can. So he's actually picked up words that he probably had never heard, didn't know the meaning, and applied these techniques. So we're going to demonstrate that as well?
Yeah.
All right, can I get the list?
Okay.
All right. I have time for all of this, but we'll do some demos.
Okay.
So it's a long list of words, SAT words that he has created here. I'm going to randomly ask, or why don't any of the parents here? Mr. Sharma will give you that opportunity. You can be where you are.
Okay.
Yeah, this list here? Yeah? All right.
So I just,
Yeah, just the word. Because these are the words of SAT all the way. So you can pick randomly any word and
he will tell the meaning.
he'll tell the meaning of it. That's what SAT vocabulary test involves. Right?
Advocate.
Advocate means to support someone, a person who supports someone or something.
Educate.
Adequate.
Oh, adequate is a good amount.
Accusation.
To accuse someone of being guilty.
There's more on the next page, Mr. Sharma.
Frugal means is avoiding waste.
Boisterous.
Boisterous means a rough animal-like spirit.
Urban.
Urbane means refined.
Magnanimous.
Magnanimous means noble.
Abstract.
Abstract means unclear.
So I'm sure you can go on
You can
and
go
on
on
and
and
on and on.
yeah.
Right?
He knows.
So, what's most of it, we put him on spot. Right?
Yeah.
Actually, he came up last night or yesterday afternoon and he said, can I do this? Just the fact that the child is now getting thought of expanding the scope of what he can do in itself is a great outcome. Putting it into action, showing up here, facing the anxiety, the stress, and still be able to perform with calmness. Look at all these great outcomes. A big round of applause for these.